Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, just like this. All right, so this is the first coat of paint. Well, after the prime uh, coat. Actually, it's the second one after the prime. I did a gray one, and now I'm putting like a brown, light brown, to match uh, the base as close as I can. It's not gonna be perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be kind of close, as you can see. Yeah, I'm taking this with a flash on, so you can see better. I want it to be a little bit darker actually, so I can put some highlights on it. So yeah, I'll take some pictures as well. But yeah, it's looking good. Look at the side. Yeah, it looks good. It's pretty close to it, and that's how it needs to be. And I'm gonna put some highlights on it right now. All right, so I think I finished painting. I put some more glue on the back to reinforce it a little bit. The color came out pretty good. Like I said, I'm not really an artist or professional painter, but I tried to practice, and I think it came out okay. I mean, it doesn't really have to be 100% match anyway. It looks pretty good. And it's the other side. Here in the garage, it's kind of hard to see it. So let me turn it a little bit here. I put some rocks here, I don't know if you can see, to match what the base already has. Some little pieces of rocks there. And the stones on the side. And I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, we'll see. Again, oh, let me take it out so you can see how to take it out. This kind of flexes a little bit. You just pull it out, and it comes out. The whole thing comes out. And this is what I was talking about. I really don't like. There's the silver thing here. It's just, I guess, my taste. I don't really like that. I like the bases to be just a base, whatever it is. And this is how I put it back. Yeah, it fits really nice. Okay, so time to put it inside and put the statue on top so you can see how it looks on the display now. All right, all right, all right. So yeah, I guess the moment I've been waiting for. It's all done and it's in my display with the other statues. And I really like the way it looks. I think it's not too noticeable, but it's, you notice if you know the statue, but it's not like, distract from the statue itself. And that's what I was trying to do. Let's get a little bit closer. sorry, there's a motion sensor from one of the lights. But actually it's better this way. So as you can see, this is the final look of it. I did have to touch up the paint a little bit in a couple places, but it looks pretty close to the original statue. And it complements the statue. That was my goal. Oh, that's the back with the silver part there. I didn't really want to bother doing the back too much. This is the only way I display it. If I could just put another little piece on the back, but I'm not really gonna do it. This is how I like to display it. I think it looks good this way. I like to have the spiders, the big Venom spiders in front like that. I just think it looks cooler. Let's take a close up here. The little pieces of rock I put in there. And it's very similar to what I did with the lizard statue. As far as the work, let me turn on the lights here. Let's see, maybe this way you see a little bit better. So the idea was just to use the original statue and complement this. Yeah, it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. It looks good on the display. It fits on the display too. I was worried about, getting too big, but I like the way it looks. That's the same problem I had with the custom lizard on the right. I thought it was going to be way too big, but I managed to get it just big enough. In the part that I didn't like, the silver rim on the bottom, I just didn't like it. That's why I did all this. I mean, in some statues, like the Mysterio, that looks good. On those, it will look terrible to have that silver thing there. Here, on Electro, it looks good because it's the actual base. So that's how I like my statues. Just have it like that. I guess Kingpin would have benefit of some kind of base, but it's fine the way it is. I created something there for him. But yeah, let me stand back now. So to me, it looks pretty good. As you saw in the video, it wasn't really that hard. I'm not really an artist. It always started with actually that one, Kraven. It all started with a Scorpion. Scorpion was the first one I had to do something here. Because I wanted to make the base a little bit more stable. And from there, I did the portrait stands, and then Kraven, and I started to learn a little bit more about everything. Again, I'm not a trained artist or painter or anything. And all the material is pretty cheap. So if you haven't seen the lizard video, watch the lizard video. If you want to see anything about the other statues you see here, just watch the other videos. I can really show it again here. I'm trying to keep this video pretty short. But again, one final look. Maybe a stable shot. And I'm very happy. It looks great next to the lizard, actually. So, oh well, if you have any questions or comments, just write below. And let me know what you think. If it's a complete disaster or waste of time, or something you like it. Or I know some people like the silver rim on the bottom. It's just not my thing. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a few more statues coming soon, so maybe I'll do a few more projects like this in the future. Okay, thank you.